I don't think I ever did an official camp box review. I got this idea of, I think it's Outdoorsy Women or Outdoorsy Black Women. I can't remember, but I will shout them out because I got this idea from them. This is a Stanley Fat Max box. And this is actually my camp kitchen. So it has my camp stove, my kettle, my rough trail quick cooker. I call it a quick cooker. You guys have another name for it, I know. Have hand sanitizer, my concoction of biodegradable soap with a little bit of sanitizer, some more butane, tablecloth, disposable, some coffee filters. Yeah, don't come for me. My paper towels get bunched up in here. Dishwashing things, hand wipes for my granddaughter, and this actually sits on here and it's closed up, and I'll show you guys that in a second. But this is cutting board. Yes, I'm from the state of Georgia, but I'm not a bulldog. I am a Gator fan. I use this to dry my dishes when we're out camping. This holds my pot holders and dish towels. This little thing goes to that because that's my water pump when we're out. Got some bowls, more camp heat, and these are of course utensils, as you can see, and everything packed down neatly in here. And I'm gonna try to close this so you guys can see it closed up. So what you do is close this part. And then you pull it from this. And I'm gonna use my leg to push this up. And close this up. I can close up better off camera.